Alright, so just got off of Everest and that was super fun. My favorite ride here at Animal Kingdom. I did get a little dizzy on it, I will admit that. There's a Disney pin board. That one had a lot of pins on it. I like it when I go pin trading and the board has a lot of them. Okay, so we're coming up here. They got some kind of show going on. Let's see if I can catch it. Underneath this bridge. If you're watching this and you have been to Animal Kingdom, I'm curious, what is your favorite ride here? Comment down below. I'd love to know what that is. With the new addition to the Avatar ride. With the new addition to the Avatar rides, that's becoming a fan favorite for everybody. So I'm wondering if people still like the other rides, the old ones. Alright, to my left is Finding Nemo, the Big Blue and Beyond. This is a theater show. We're gonna see if we can watch this. Get us out of the sun for a little bit.
Attention ocean explorers. Throughout the world, marine animals large and small face threats to their survival, including habitat destruction, pollution, and unsustainable fishing practices. But the more you learn about ocean animals, the more you can help. You can start by visiting a local library, asking a teacher, or exploring online resources that celebrate the wonders